In this video, we will learn about web scraping in Power Query. So we will have two parts in total, and today we will do the part 1. For this, I need to show you one website, worldometers.info, and here we have different population country wise. For example, if I click China, then we can see the population of the China, right? So here we have different columns. And then let me copy this link, and if I want to see population for example India, so again I need to click one by one to see different population in different cities. So here you can see we have population in different cities as well. So we are interested to fetch this information, and for this I need to go to the Power Query. Here first I need to get data, and you have to click web because we need to get the data from the web, and we need to paste the link and click OK. And now the Power BI is extracting the data, and here you can see we have different data. Let me zoom it. So here you can see in the table 1 we have column 1, and table 2 we have date and population, and then again you can see different tables that are available on the website. Power BI has extracted all the information. So here you can see in the table 6 we have city name and population. So we are interested in this table. For this we need to click and click this table, and then we have to transform data. So here we have data for the cities in China, so different cities and their populations. Let's go to the advanced editor here, and if I let me show you in the website. If I go to like India, or maybe, so here you can see if I mouse over on India, and you can see this is India dash population in the hyperlink, right? So if I click USA, then it's US dash population. So then what we have to do is, let's go to the Power Query in the advanced editor, and here we just need to replace China. For example, if you want to see the population for the India, so here you can see India dash population, and then we have to click done, and you will see we are getting all the cities from India. And in the same way we can write different string here, like US dash population, then we will get the data from the US, right? So let's write one function here. So it will be, for example, country name as text, because it's a text information, and we need as a table, and then we have to write lambda, so equal and greater than. So this is the function, right? The name, and we just need to click done. Before clicking done, we just need to replace here the population. We have to replace the name, the parameter name, like what was the parameter, what is the name of the parameter. This is country name. I just need to copy, and then I have to, because every time this string is being changed, India dash population. So what I have to do is, for this I need to write ampersand, and then I have to write the name of the parameter. This is country name, and then again and sign, and here we need to write double quote. Okay, so this is the stuff that we need to write here, and so it is taking, we are passing country name as a parameter to the URL, right? So let's click done, and here you can see we are getting one country name parameter. So here I have to, for example, if I want to get data from the US, so I just need to write here US dash population. And then I need to click OK, invoke. So here you can see this is the population from US, and the same like if I write here, for example, Pakistan, click OK, and here you can see the population for the different cities, Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, and many more. So this is how we can get data from different countries. So let's do one more thing. We just need to delete this invoke function table and delete it, and we need to write one blank query here because we don't need to write every time different countries, so we will make a table that will have different countries inside. So we need to write here blank query and go to the advanced editor, and here we have to delete this one, and then we have to write here, for example, one table hash table, and then we need to write type table, the hash sign, double quotes, and here you can write country name, and then we need to write comma, curly bracket, and then one more curly bracket because we need a couple of values here. So here we have to write the name of the query string. So it is India dash population. So I just need to copy, and then I need to create another. So this is US population, and we can create one more, for example, Pakistan population, right? So here we have created one table that contain 3 records: India population, US, and Pakistan. And then we just need to click done, and the name of this table we can write here country list. This is the name of the table. And what we can do now, we just need to click add column, and here we have to invoke custom function, and in the custom function we need to let's do one more thing here. This is the name of the function, right? So we have to write the name like fn country, and then we just need to click done, and again to the country list, Okay, so here we have all the three values, and now we need to click invoked function, invoked custom function. So here you can write any name of the column. For example, combine data, and the function query, this is the name of the query is fn country, and then the country name, this is the table, like the country name table. So that's all. So let's click OK, and here is information is required about the data privacy. Click continue and ignore privacy level checks, save, and then we need to wait. And here you can see table.add column country list, and we will get one table that will have one column. The column name will be country list, and it will contain table information. And here you can see each. So this function fn country will execute for each query string, right? See, so this function has been executed for the India population, US population, and Pakistan population, and fetch this record, city name and some other. For every country, it has retrieved different cities depending on the country, right? We need to combine data for the India, US, and Pakistan. We just need to click here, and you can click OK. So here you can see we are getting data like country name, and this is the city name, and this is the city population. And here you can see this is India, and these are the different cities in India and their population. And then you can see US, and here it is the different cities in US and their population, in the same way in Pakistan, right? So what we have done here, we have just created one table that hold all the required data that we need to scrap. For example, we wanted to scrap data 3 countries, Pakistan, US, and India, and we don't need to go every time to the website, change the URL, and then we just need to, if we need to combine all the data in one column, like country name or the population or the city name, then we don't need to do like for example, here you can see we have different merge queries. So first we need to get data from the US, and then we need to get data from in the like India and then Pakistan in 3 different tables, and then we have to apply merge query to merge all the data in the single destination, right? So with the help of custom function in Power Query, we have combined all the stuff in one step. So this is how we can use custom function to retrieve the data very quickly. So this was the first part. We will continue to enhance the web scraping in Power Query in the next part.